Hey guys, in this video we're going to make one of my favorite smoothies, a high antioxidant, high omega-3 smoothie. For this we're going to need some wild blueberries, some cacao powder, some chia seeds, some peanut butter or any other type of butter that you prefer, and a small banana. As always, try to make sure that all of your ingredients are organic as possible and of the best quality that you can get. We start with half a cup of wild blueberries, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, about a tablespoon of nut butter, and some pieces of banana. Now we add some water. That's about 15 ounces. And next we're going to blend all the ingredients together. All right. And there you have it, a delicious high antioxidant, high omega-3 smoothie. Enjoy.